What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video we're simply going to go ahead and show you guys how to make $500 flipping website domains. What's going on, guys? As I stated before, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. If this is your first time coming across my channel, who am I? I'm a serial digital entrepreneur who creates content on the daily to help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom, and help you escape the rat race, leave your 9 to 5 once you learn how to make money online. So if you like that type of stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell, and number 2, go ahead and click the first link in the description if you want to go ahead and know what my #1 recommendation to actually make money online is. Now, with that being said, in this video, we're simply going to go ahead and cover how to make your first $500 flipping website domains. And more importantly, I'm going to go ahead and give you proof that this works, right? Now, first and foremost, how do we do this, right? The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find somewhere that you can go ahead and purchase website domains. So the first one, the most common one, is called GoDaddy.com, and you simply can go ahead and actually find website domains for as little as $10, right? Now guys, this is an investment and you're looking for a return on your investment on the back end, right? Now the objective, guys, is to find a website domain, and once you find that website domain, you want to make sure that it has commercial value, right? Now what do I mean by that? Something that you know for a fact that somebody is going to be looking into purchasing in the future. So I just want to give you guys an example of commercial value. Now obviously you're not going to get this lucky, but this is the power of this, right? So if we look here, but I want to show you guys this article, right? Home Away CEO Brian Sharples bought the domain name in 2007 vacationrentals.com for $35 million. Let me repeat that one more time. He bought the website domain Vacation Rentals for $35 million, right? Now chances are somebody snagged this domain name really early before there's too much competition, and they spent probably about $10 and they made $35 million off this domain. Now why? Because it had commercial value. Now just to look a little bit deeper into the story, he explains the reason why he bought this domain is to keep it away from Expedia, right? To keep it away from his competition. So he didn't even buy this domain to use it. He bought it to keep it away from his competitor, right? So with that being said, he bought it for $35 million. And just to show you guys other big purchases of domains, so insurance.com was sold for $35.6 million. And insure.com was sold for $16 million, right? So guys, that shows you guys how much these freaking domains go for. If you can go ahead and get a really popular domain, something that somebody's going to use, obviously insurance.com, right? There's this multi-millionaire who named Sam Ovens who owns this called consulting.com, right? Now, those are a little bit bigger. Those are going to be more expensive, but you can go ahead and flip them for a long period of time. What you do is you go ahead and buy something that has commercial use, and then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and use something called CDO, right? CDO, what you can do is you can go ahead and buy domains, or you can sell domains, right? So what you're going to do is you're simply going to go ahead and press sell domains. How it works, it's going to go ahead and break down how it works for you guys. You can do domain auctions, or you can just do promotional options, or you can do domain trade, right? Do your due diligence, right? Find a domain, and then once you get a really good domain, buy it for $10, sit on it, and you sell it on CDO, and you set your price, right? So if you want to go ahead and set your price for, let's just say $500, you wait on that, you have to make sure it's a good domain. Now if it's like 123 cat 697 Pizza Hut Africa.com, that's a long domain. Nobody's ever going to buy that, right? But if you snag something like, let's just say sellyourhomefast.com, a lot of people who are in real estate, that's probably already taken already, but I'm just giving you guys an example. Somebody in real estate might want that, right? Somebody who's looking to sell houses might look for that domain, and they might be willing to pay a premium price, like let's just say $100 or $200, right? Now, just to show you proof that this actually works, I'm not gonna show you that I did this myself. I'm gonna show you somebody who has done this on me, right? Now, if you look here, I pulled up my Gmail account, right? So here's my Gmail. And if you look at GoDaddy, right? And I've made plenty of purchases. I literally have over 20 domains that I've purchased myself because I'm an internet marketer. I always need domains, right? But I purchased a premium domain myself. I purchased the domain wolvesacademy.com, right? I purchased wolvesacademy.com. And if you notice, guys, how much did I pay for this domain, this premium domain? I paid $500.16 for this domain name. Now, chances are the person who actually purchased domain bought this domain, and they bought this domain for $10, and I purchased this domain for $516. That's about a $490 profit. Literally, probably took this person maybe a little bit of time to do some research, find a domain. And once they did their research, their due diligence, they found Wolves Academy. They said somebody one day is gonna go ahead and buy this domain. And you can call it what you want, right? I invested $500 into this domain. Now, I did a pre-launch on Wolves Academy and I made well over $500. So I made that money back, right? But I plan on building this domain, and mark my words, in the future, it's gonna be a multi-million-dollar business, Wolves Academy, right? But with that being said, people are willing to, if they have a vision on something, they're willing to make these premium purchases on these domains. So with that being said, instead of being on the purchasing side like I am, be on the type of person, instead of being on the consumer side, be on the producer side. Go ahead and take action, do your due diligence, find domain names. An example, I'm gonna find, let's just say, sell your home quickly. I know this is taken, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a specific niche where I know people are looking for these type of domains. I'm gonna search on GoDaddy. So sell your home quickly, we'll see if it's available. I search and sell your home quickly. So look, just a prime example. Now guys, this is showing RM, right? But we'll go prime example, RM to $. So guys, this person is selling this domain for $3,000 US. So what they did, they literally did exactly what I'm telling you how to do it, right? So let's just say I wanted to buy that domain. I'd have to spend $3,000 to get that domain. Now this person literally bought this domain for, I would say, about $10. Maybe maximum like $100, because it might have already been being sold by GoDaddy for a premium domain. They bought it, let's just say maximum $100. If they sell it for $3,000, that's $2,900 in profit, right? And they're just sitting on that. It's passive income. They did the work once, and then they go ahead and get that income on the back end, right? So with that being said, I just showed you guys a live version. I just showed you that it works because I was on the consumer side. I actually bought a domain for $500. I just showed you that somebody's actually doing this. They bought it for low, and they're flipping it for high. And I just showed you the dream, right, of people literally buying these domains. The highest ever purchase domain was for $35.6 million, right? So the sky's the limit with this method. If you guys like this method, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell. At 25,000 subscribers, I'm gonna go ahead and actually hold my first in-person event, teaching people the skill set that I do that has set me free, which is called affiliate marketing. As well as other ways to make money online and bringing people in, the experts of the industries, right? So help me get to 25,000 by hitting that subscribers button. And if you guys want to know my number one recommendation to make money online, make sure to click the first link in the description right now. So appreciate you guys. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.